Good morning, this is Brian Rowley, mouse help at Roselle.com, where we provide compassionate care for people with computers. And I had a question about how to capture a screen. So let's just say, for the sake of argument, that some error shows up on your screen and you report it to some tech person who responds with, "Can you send me a screenshot of the error?" So yes, the answer is yes. That can be done. However, how you do it is kind of a question. You could certainly simply use Alt Print Screen from your keyboard. Hold down the Alt key, find the Print Screen button, press that, but what that does, it captures the screen, actually captures the window you're on, I believe, and then you still have to paste that captured image into a document or something. And there's a whole lot more explanation that goes into that than would be. What you can do is use a little gadget called Snipping Tool. Snipping Tool has been around since Vista, Windows Vista, so 2006. I'll just show you where to go and find it. You can click your Start button, type the word snip. It should show up at the top of the list. And when you click that, what you get is another little window that opens. And you can move this window anywhere you want it on your screen to have it out of the way. So the thing you're going to snip, let's just say for the sake of argument that this is the error message that you want to capture, or any image that you want to capture on your screen can be picked up by using your snipping tool. And it has several modes. The default mode is rectangular snip, so we'll just go ahead and use it that way first. So you can see on the left of this red image there are crosshairs, and if I take my crosshairs and put them right here in this corner, when I drag my mouse, I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and I'm going to drag down and to the right like this, and you see how it's drawing a box? So whatever is inside that box will be captured when I let go of my mouse. So there, I've made an image of what was in the box with those crosshairs and that dragging motion, right? So here I'm going to save my image. Actually, I'm going to show you some other features first. Let's just say that you wanted to highlight the fact that this is something you want someone to see, this line right here. You see that little dot? That dot represents what's going to happen here. This is the pen that's going to be used when that dot, if I hold down my mouse again, oh, by the way, you can even change, you can customize your pen to make it fatter, thicker, colors. You have all kinds of colors you can choose from. So now you can see the dot. So if I wanted to point out that that's the thing I wanted to show you, I could draw a little arrow like this. Look right there. See? There's also a highlighter tool here. So you can click once here on the highlighter and you could highlight some part of your captured image. Then, as I was going to say, you can save your snip. So here I'm going to save it in the pictures folder. I'll put it in my blogging folder. And here I will just call it demo snipping tool. Okay, and that is going to create an image. It'll be a PNG image. You can save it as JPEG or a GIF, whatever you like, but I'm just going to go ahead and save it as PNG. Now I've got a copy of this image. By the way, the word copy is also what you'll get right here. So if I click this where it says copy, it puts it on the clipboard. And the clipboard is what you would use if you were going to paste it into, let's say you were going to create a new email message. Not sure I want to show you my email. Let's say you're going to put it on Facebook. How's that? So you come over here, right click and paste. Now that image is on Facebook. So the same could be done in an email. If you were sending an email, you could paste that image into an email. You could paste that image into a Word document. You can paste the image into any place where you can do paste. So that's all I'm going to say as far as how to use Snipping Tool, except to walk through it one more time. So if I want to do a new one, just click the new button, and again the little crosshairs, and just drag across like that, and you get a copy. What if you wanted to copy the whole window? You can change the mode here to window snip, and when I click new, now when I click here, I just copied the entire window that I clicked on. So there's another way to capture. So you have to decide which one is right for what you're trying to accomplish, and you change that here. The default, like I said, is there with rectangular, but I'm going to show you one more cool little thing. Freeform lets you do this, and if I click new now, see the little scissors? So you can cut out, you can freeform snip something. Kind of fun, kind of cool. Anyway, that's it. So that's it for snipping tool, and I hope you were able to follow that and that you will definitely give that a try. See what you can do with snipping tool. Once you've used it a few times and you come to know it and love it, you'll probably say that's one of my favorite tools. I use it every day. Enjoy. This has been Brian Rowley, mousehelp@roselle.com, where we provide compassionate care for people with computers. Enjoy your snipping tool and have a lovely day.